Hi world, I'm Jessica and I am the Multicultural Marketing Manager and I've been with IKEA for 14 years. My first memory of IKEA is the Schaumburg store, and it's because I was living in Chicago for a 3-month internship and it was my first time being on my own and I had nothing. I had a garden apartment, I was so excited, but I needed to furnish it, so my girlfriend that lived in Chicago took me to the Schaumburg store. And I remember feeling like such a baller because I bought all this stuff for my apartment to furnish it. So my journey started with IKEA in the South Philadelphia store, where I worked in the actual store, and it was really fascinating because I had never worked in a retail unit before, so it was really exciting to get to meet the customers firsthand, understand the store operations. I fell in love with IKEA then and there, and I've been with them for 14 years in various roles. So my favorite IKEA product is the Stockholm Yellow and Walnut glass cabinet. It's my favorite product. It's moved with me about 4 times. My husband knows that when we pack it up, he better take very good care of it because if he breaks it, it's going to be problematic. The most iconic product for me is the FRAKTA bag. It's so iconic. Some designers have tried to make, bags after it, but I mean, it's an iconic bag. It's the iconic blue with the IKEA straps. We see it up and down the streets, no matter what city or town you live in. You've seen somebody with this FRAKTA blue bag. I love it. I use it. It's so versatile. So I would say for me, that's the most iconic product. This is gonna sound corny, but what I'm most proud of is the professional that I've become here. I feel super authentically myself, and I feel comfortable in my skin, and a lot of that had to do with just the organization being welcoming of that, my peers and my partners accepting me for who I am, and I would have to say that that's what I'm most proud of, because for a long time I didn't show up all the way authentically as myself, and when I started to do so, things changed dramatically for me. Well, what I love the most is the people. I am so lucky to work with the dopest, coolest, most humble, loving people. I have to say, it's something about the culture of IKEA that attracts a certain person, and so that's my favorite part. I love working with my partners. For me, the next chapter in IKEA is really about lifting up others. I've had the pleasure of having some really amazing trailblazers and champions in my corner and who have helped me in my career, and I want to do the same. I want to pay it forward. So I have really started to take an active role in being a mentor and identifying talent internally and really helping to elevate them.